For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Palantir Technologies witnessed a sharp decline in its stock price on Tuesday, following substantial insider sales that raised questions about confidence in the company's near-term trajectory. The stock experienced a drop of 8% during the trading session, falling to a low of $70.31 before recovering slightly to close at $71.85. This decline marked a significant setback for the company, considering its previous closing price of $75.92. Adding to the bearish sentiment was a notable drop in trading volume. Palantir recorded a total daily volume of 42,860,000 shares, which represented a decrease of 38% compared to the daily average session volume of 68,710,000 shares. Such a significant drop in trading activity indicates reduced investor interest and confidence during the session, likely exacerbated by the news of insider transactions. The decline in Palantir's stock price coincided with a major sale by insider Ryan D. Taylor. Taylor executed a transaction in January 2025, selling 483,987 shares. The sale generated proceeds amounting to approximately $36,005,000. Following this transaction, Taylor's stake in Palantir was reduced by 73.97%, leaving him with 170,273 shares valued at around $12,680,000. This significant reduction in ownership further fueled concerns among investors about insider confidence in the company's short-term outlook. In addition to Taylor's transaction, Palantir's director, Lauren Elena Friedman Stat, also sold shares. Stat sold 800 shares at a price of $76.29 per share, resulting in total proceeds of $61,032. After the sale, Stat retains a stake of 62,139 shares, which are currently valued at approximately $4,740,000. This transaction resulted in a modest reduction of 1.27% in her position within the company. These insider sales, coupled with the stock's significant price decline, have sparked debate among investors regarding the motivations behind these transactions. While insider sales are often interpreted as a potential signal of reduced confidence in a company's short-term prospects, it is important to note that such sales do not always reflect long-term sentiment. In many cases, insider sales are routine or planned in advance as part of personal financial strategies. However, the timing of these transactions, coinciding with broader macroeconomic uncertainties, has amplified concerns. Beyond the insider sales, Palantir stock has faced additional pressure from broader market sell-offs. Over the course of the week, the stock price has dropped by 14.6% compared to last week's market close, as reported by Standard & Poor's Global Market Intelligence. This substantial weekly decline stands out against the relatively modest losses in broader market indices. For example, the Standard & Poor's 500 index recorded a decline of 0.4% during the same period, while the Nasdaq Composite Index fell by 0.7%. It is worth noting that this downturn occurred during a shortened trading week, with markets closed on Tuesday in observance of a day honoring President Jimmy Carter. The closure of financial markets provided investors with an opportunity to reflect on recent economic developments and recalibrate their strategies, further influencing trading activity upon reopening. Macroeconomic conditions have played a significant role in shaping investor sentiment this week. Data released by the Bureau of Labor Statistics revealed a higher than expected number of new job openings for the month of November. This surprising development has reignited concerns about inflationary pressures, as strong labor market data suggests that inflation may persist at higher levels than previously anticipated. Such concerns have weighed heavily on growth-oriented stocks, including Palantir, which are particularly sensitive to inflationary trends and interest rate fluctuations. Rising United States Treasury yields have also contributed to the negative sentiment surrounding growth stocks. Historically, higher Treasury yields have been associated with reduced investor appetite for growth-dependent valuations, as they increase the cost of capital and create competition for investment dollars. Palantir's valuation has also come under scrutiny following recent bearish analyst coverage. Deutsche Bank, in a newly released report, maintained a sell rating on Palantir stock despite raising its 12-month price target from $26 to $35. As of this writing, Deutsche Bank's revised price target implies a potential downside of 47% from current levels. The bank's concerns are primarily centered on Palantir's high valuation multiples, which are heavily dependent on continued growth and strong market performance. Despite the recent setback, Palantir remains a key player in the rapidly expanding artificial intelligence software market. The company has established leadership positions in several high-growth segments, which are expected to experience significant expansion over the coming years. Furthermore, Palantir's exceptional profit margins position it well to capitalize on these growth opportunities and potentially justify its current valuation over the long term. The broader artificial intelligence sector also holds promise with improving fundamentals and the potential for modest valuation expansions in 2025. While Palantir faces unique challenges, including its high valuation of approximately 44.5 times this year's expected revenue and 143 times expected earnings, the company's strong market position and innovative capabilities provide reasons for optimism. In conclusion, while Palantir has faced a challenging week characterized by insider sales, stock price declines, and broader macroeconomic pressures, the company's long-term prospects remain compelling. Investors will likely continue to monitor the company's performance closely, particularly in light of its leadership in the artificial intelligence market and its ability to navigate economic headwinds. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.